So in this video, you'll learn how to restore any deleted photos or videos on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to open the Gallery app, and then you want to navigate to your recycle bin. To do that, tap on this hamburger icon in the top left corner. So this is the icon that has 4 lines. And then from here, once you've tapped on it, you want to select recycle bin. Under recycle bin, you should see any deleted images from the last 30 days. This is because your device normally stores any images deleted within a 30-day period. Once the period has passed, it will then be permanently deleted from your tablet. So bear in mind that if you want to store any image, it should have been deleted within the last 30 days. So from here, the next step when it comes to restoring is to select the image or images. So just tap on select and then choose your image or images that you wish to restore. And once you've selected them, what you want to do is then simply select the option restore and then wait for them to be restored. Once you see this tag saying images restored, you can now go back to the pictures menu. You can close the menu and then you can see all the selected images have been successfully restored back to your tablet. And so now you can go ahead and continue sharing or even just saving the images on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.